Well, welcome back. Let's go over this long lost project that we're working on now.
But honestly though, like possibly for as hard as you were hitting shit.
So I'm sure you all remember this thing, the Ultra4-style buggy that was an 03 4Runner with a V8. So got it back, time to work on it again, a little here and there. This is what I've done over the past like 2 days. So as it left off, that entire pallet and all that stuff, and then a bunch of stuff in the parts room still has to go on this thing, including the pallet up there on the rack I keep forgetting about. Up there's a whole mess of stuff. So what I've done the past few days is we've made the exhaust crossover piece and we ran all the hard coolant lines. They've all taken out now. Even got our high point up front here since the radiator is in the back. Got it done. There's no hose clamps or anything right now because I've taken everything out. So the exhaust crossover piece, it is done. Titanium exhaust wrap because it does get kind of close to the transmission pan right here. And then we're also trying to keep the heat off the coolant lines that pass really close to here. Speaking of coolant lines, they are completely done. Everything is hard piped anywhere it can be in the truck. So got those done. Red and blue, hot off of engine to radiator, blue from radiator back to engine. That way they don't get mixed up. And if you're working on it or have to service it or something down the road, you know which ones are hot, which ones are cold, so you can tell if the radiator's working, if it's overheating or anything like that. The cold section had to be 3 pipes just because the bends, and there's a couple like tricky hoses that I found that fit who knows what. For instance, this one right here, that's the part number. No idea what it fits, just went to O'Reilly's and started looking around. This guy has to sit like that, so a funky angle to get clearance around the header enough. Also tabbed everything in, so there's just tabs everywhere on the frame. All of those tabs mount the hard lines everywhere. For the end, my bead roller is not strong or small enough to fit in here, so what I've done is just little quick lines of welds, nothing pretty, on all of the pipes. Little caterpillars everywhere, and that will just keep the hose from sliding off, hopefully, when the clamp is on. But tomorrow, fingers crossed, we can get all of that stuff in, the crossover pipe in, and all the coolant system checked off essentially. And then I can start working on the stuff I've been avoiding, like fuel, electrical, the odds and ends. I gotta mount computers and all that stuff, but slowly getting at it. Tomorrow shouldn't take me too long to mount all the stuff back in, and then hopefully a little time in the afternoon to at least get a rough plan on doing some electrical on this thing. But quick, down dirty video of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.